How to activate DCU debit card. So look at the sticker or documentation that came with your debit card. It usually contains instructions for activation. Call the phone number provided on the sticker or documentation. This is typically a toll-free number. Ensure you call from the number associated with your DCU account for verification purposes. Follow the automated prompts to activate your debit card. You may be required to enter your card number, CVV, or other details. Listen carefully to any instructions provided during the call. Once you have successfully completed the activation process, you will receive confirmation. Log in to your DCU account through the app or website. Navigate to the section for managing your debit card. Follow the prompts to activate your card. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.